vehicles. Each year, our bus drivers are required to have an annual physical, mandated by the Federal Motor Carriers, of course, and the Georgia Department of Education. 2 vendors responded. Both vendors have been used in the past, and have provided equal pricing. We've received good service with both vendors for this, so a lot of times our drivers will split in the past. They have. That price is $35 per visit.
We're approving both South Florida Medical Center, Occupational Industrial Medicine, and Airport Medical.
Yes, ma'am.
They have all the same price. Good responses are here.
Okay, the next item for approval is a vehicle for the technology department here housed at the board office. Recently, one of their vehicles was involved in a motor vehicle accident, and we anticipate, we have not heard from the adjuster yet, but we anticipate in the next coming days that that vehicle will be totaled, and they will need a replacement vehicle. So we priced a new Ford Ranger at state contract pricing from Lowndes Ford. And in the process, we learned that they have a special promotion going on with employee pricing, which that price was actually lower than the state contract price.
This is the, share with each of you when this accident happened, it was not our employee's fault, so we would expect some insurance money from the other vehicle involved, and a force type would be applied into this cost. And we don't have that information yet, but knowing we don't need it until July, I'm going to go ahead and get this approved. See technology checking their head, they use those vehicles to move things around.
Austin, I got a question on that. If this, when this gets approved, can we figure out a topper or head cover for it? That way they don't slow them down in the rain?
Yes, sir.
I think that would help.
Our other, I believe the other 2 trucks have, they don't have tonneau covers on,
Oh, yeah, they
band
do.
covers.
Yes, they do.
Do we do that after, market, or we do it?
Oh,
Aftermarket,
G-Market.